I'm gonna need some help, guys. This is a 2014 Corvette with a manual transmission. I've been having a lot of problems starting, and then all of a sudden one day, no start, no crank. So I went through all the usual, check the battery, starter relay, main relay, all the fuses, key fob, and I decided to pull the starter and bench test it. This is the original starter, and I bench tested. It works. What happened is, so I hook up a wire to jump it. The starter motor works, pops out, and gets stuck in the flywheel. So I was thinking, maybe the starter is defected somehow, and just, decided to just fuck off and do something weird. So I pick up a second starter, brand new, and it does the same thing. I'm lost, don't know what to do. This flywheel does spin easily, so the motor is spinning. It's good, and once it starts, it runs fine, but just totally lost, not sure what to do. Please help.